The last rant is about Infinix. They've launched a new phone in India known as Smart 6 Plus with a different design and specs from the original Smart 6 Plus launched in other markets. The Indian version has a notch display like the original model, but you get a 6.82 HD plus display, while the Smart 6 Plus abroad is 6.6 inches. The Indian version has a dimmer display 440 nits, while abroad version 500 nits. The rear panel of India has a mirror back design, while the original has a Aurora wave textured design and is coated with anti-bacterial material. The design of the camera island is different, but they use the same 8 megapixel primary camera accompanied by the AI sensor. The original model gets 8 megapixel camera selfie with single flashlight, while the Indian variant gets 5 megapixel with dual LED flashes. You get the Indian version gets a Helio G25 processor with 3GB RAM, 64GB storage. It can be expanded to up to 6GB by virtual storage, and you can extend by SD card by 512GB storage. Indian version gets Android 12 Go edition with XOS 10.6 on the top, while the old abroad model gets XOS 7.6 based on Android 11 Go edition. The rest of the thing is same. You get rear mounted fingerprint scanner, DTS surround audio, micro USB port with 5000 mAh battery. You get two colors in India, Miracle Black and Tranquil Sea Blue color, and it goes on sale in India on August 3 at the price of around $101, 8,000 rupees. This is introductory and it will increase. I will just say stay away from this phone, not worth it. Anyhow, like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.